reason the press conference as in Apulya sir is mainly on account of what has appeared in the print media, in the newspaper this morning regarding one of my dear directors who is the director of JIDC, the board, Mr. Shri Damodar Kochkar. In fact, I was quite shocked and surprised as per the statement that I read this morning, saying that there are a lot of that IDC is corrupt and a lot of that every job has a rate in IDC. And further to that, he also made a mention that there are rates fixed for allotment of plots. Now, what has happened? In fact, being a most responsible either director of GSIA, we have your board of directors from GCCI as well as other members of the directors. There are 4 directors also from the government departments. That is, industries is there, a secretary, finance secretary, then from electrical, and moreover, we also have Honorable Industry Minister attending our board meetings over here. So, I started wondering as to what corruption he's been talking about. Now, being the board member and being an active board member and the president of GSIA, in fact, there was any issues like this, he should have brought these issues in the board here and discuss. Recently, we had a board meeting a few days back, but this topic has never come up. Moreover, or he could come to me as being the chairman of GIDC and spoken to me. Now, what allegation is made, from where got the information, and being a responsible person, I feel it's totally wrong for him to make this allegation and come on in the media directly. Of course, I have great respect for the media, being the fourth estate of democracy. But there should be some truth, no? You can't just make statements saying that IDC is corrupt. So I want to ask Mr. Damodar Kochkar, what is the corruption he's talking about? And where is the corruption? If it's brought to my notice, I'll take action. I'm sitting up 2017 and ensuring till today that no plots have been allotted except for one plot when our ex-Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was there. One was given to Unichem and one to IPP was given to Honda. And recently, about some time back, through proper channel by advertising online, the plots, small plots were allotted, about 3 or 4 plots were allotted. And in allotment of plots, Damodar Kochkar is the member of the screening committee. We have 6 members in the screening committee. He is one of the members. If he speaks about corruption, he is the one who is to ensure there is no corruption. Because he is a member, and to allot any plots, it is not like that you give plots, you advertise and give to anybody. There are point system. We have point system where we allot plots based on different criteria. And he can strongly object. So where the question of corruption arises, I really can't understand. I feel that today in one paper has come talking about ease of doing business, attacking my Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is very dynamic, who is young, who is working very hard, in and out, 24 hours, almost even in COVID time, he was positive, he was still working. I am on the board to see that the corporation grows, because when I took over the corporation, we were minus 6 crores, and without selling any plot, only, stopping all the things which were not going okay, I have stopped and we came to almost about 8 to 9 crores plus then. So, I want to ask again Damodar Kochkar, holding a responsible position, this is nothing but total misuse of. If he cannot himself come and talk to me, and if he's not in a position or he's unfit, he should not be in the board. Simple as that. So in fact, I'm wondering now as to whether he is really against the board, against the chairman, against the chief minister, against the government, or there's somebody who's, trying to politicize the whole thing. For some reason or other, So best thing is let him come out clear. And of course, with all this what has happened, we have certain norms. Suppose when we have a board meeting, after board meeting, we get all the minutes recorded and then it's approved. But there is point of time where the directors, one of the directors, even if put it on social media, everything, is totally against the norms. We have to maintain decorum. You cannot disclose it and make on social media till the things are finalized. We have to maintain the decorum and sanctity of the board. So all these things have been happening, and automatically, when I, the chairman, from day one have been working, this was given to my honorable Chief Mr. Manoj Parrikar, I've been working tooth and nail to ensure, it's been a tough journey for me. It's not been easy. This IDC is a good corporation, very powerful corporation. In fact, when Manoj Parrikar gave me this, I worked everything. Then thereafter, when he passed away, now Honorable CM is giving me all the support to ensure that things are moving smoothly. And we have Honorable Industries Minister as well, who is also the Industries Ministers, Also, he's also been supporting in one way or the other. And so with all this allegations come out, it's very surprising and not accepted at all. So this is what I wanted to clarify in this press conference of mine with the reports that has come today in the newspaper. No. Yes. Sorry?
Non-grown was there on the board or something?
No, I will answer. Lokik, I will answer your thing is. No, Mr. Koshkar is the president of GSIA, Wasp Industry Association. So he has come in now in August 19. Yeah, since he represents the GSIA, and also Manish Kakula of GCCI. Earlier there was Raj Kumar Kamath and Sandeep Bandare. So automatically they are on the board.
And the meeting attended?
Yeah, they attend all the meetings and everything has been attended. They attend all the meetings very regularly. No, that's the issues raised now, as far as all this corruption or whatever is concerned. Health Minister comes to attend the meeting. Is here. No, there was a question of some illegalities that, which not during my tenure, and there are a lot of illegalities, encroachments have been there, So now, and for last board meeting, in fact, because of this particular question put forth by the directors, I told my MD, Mr. Reg Network, that's get, a little serious, although, being a businessman, I don't want to sort of, in this pandemic times, get into the entrepreneurs and send a wrong message. But now, with the thing that is going on, talking about corruption, I'll be forced to ensure that I go headlong and check all the illegalities, encroachments, or whatever is not in my estate, whatever wrong is going, I will definitely start looking into it very seriously. I've already started to. आम्ही already online चालू केले आसा on trial basis आम्ही केले आसा, whereby in fact आम्ही already 500 units नाव दिल्ले आसा, and ताजे फुडें आम्ही सगळ्यांक inform केले आसा, and all the presidents of all the GSI, आमचे GSI आमचो president Koshkar Bab, and also each estate has got their own president. So we have told them, requested them to come in, take the benefit, but I'm quite surprised that very few people have participated in this, and maybe I feel very few of them, maybe 30, 40 have participated, which is very, very important. In fact, they've got all online services, like renewal and extension of lease is there, surrender of plots, issue of NOC for bank loan purpose, change in name, product, constitution, issuance of NOC for road cutting, all these various things, water bill payment services, all this, is there. So my request is to tell Mr. Damodar Kashkar, instead of making all these allegations, if it had been confirming, it should have been conformity with me or being in the board. But there are more important things we should focus and, get all these people on board in online basis, which will be more easier, better and better for ease of doing business.
Online transparency so the allegation of a chance.
Exactly. We are governed, the Act, GIDC Act is governed by rules and regulations. पहिले कितना लावता जर वचना पूण हांगा कित्याक केला इतलें सोंपें न्हू तें.
He is a member of board. What made him to chase this allegation, put this allegation.
तुम्ही
कितें
कितें
कांयच ना हितून
कितें तुम्ही इंडस्ट्रीच्या अगेन्स्ट तुम्ही कितें स्ट्रिक्ट रूल काडल्या वा नोटीस इश्यू जाली वा तेजेर एप्लिकेशन केला
पळय आमी समज कितें तो डिस्कशन हा न्हू एजेंडीचेर घालतात आमी हांगा डिस्कस करतात आनी एनी अदर आयटम आसल्यार आमी ताजेर डिस्कस करतात पूण असले विशय करप्शनाचे आयडीसीस करप IPB शूड बी स्क्रॅप आनी फाटल्यान कोणान आनी ताजे थोडे दिसांनी कोणान आनी घेतले आय मीन ताजेर बेजलेस एलिगेशन करप हें बरोबर न्हू कित्याक इज अ व्हेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन आनी आय वॉज क्वायट सरप्रायज एंड टेकन अ बॅक I saw the statement made whether he is actually made it from his system or he is, I don't know, he is sometimes politically normally आमी विरोधा कशें करतात न्हू नाल्यार आमचे कोण घालतात बाबा उलय तूं कर तशें देरेबेन अशें जाल्लें म्हाका हांव एकदम सरप्रायज चेअरमॅन
नवे मेंबर कितले येयले
आमचे नवे मेंबर न्ही तुका सांगलें त्या प्रमाणे GSIC ऑलरेडी आनी आमची GCCI ते टर्म हे जातात न्हू टर्म काबार जाले उपरांत आमचे मनोज काकुलो आयलो आनी इन GCCI रिप्रेझेंटिंग GCCI आनी GSI आमचो दामोदर कोचकार आयलो
मध्ये आमी पुर्ती पाटकर म्हणून ते खंयचे इंडस्ट्रींतल्यान येयल्ले किंवा खंयच्यान तेजे म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसर ऑर कशे ते डायरेक्टर येयल्ले
Purti Patkar, I think, has come somewhere in 2020, I think, beginning of 2020, if I'm not mistaken, yes.
Representing any industry?
That, I don't know, that you'll have to speak to the Industry Minister, Mr. Vijay Rani, and all the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod, because it is their prerogative. See, getting the boards, getting the director on board is the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Industry Minister. As far as Purti Patkar, you should ask the Industry Minister.
Chairman doesn't have right.
No, we don't. I don't have any this thing over the.
No, but how fair it is now? The chairman doesn't know from where she comes from, where he comes from.
No, that's not my prerogative. It's the prerogative of the Industry Ministers. I think if you put this, if you ask him, he will be able to answer you better.
Normally, board and industries being actually लोग येतात.
Yeah, they are governed by certain rules as per the rules, regulations. Some is from agriculture, pharma. So all those criteria, there some have to be from the government, which represents, in fact, the minister. They report to the minister. Follow? No, they directors, like for example, Nila Mohan is the Madam Nila Mohan is the secretary. Finance Minister can have. The electrical chief and industries, director of industries. They normally represent the Department of Industries. So they normally are there. But here for all our board meetings, mostly Honorable Industry Minister has been coming.
She fits in a criteria.
Who?
That's what.
Patkar.
That is for the Industry Minister and Honorable Chief Minister to take a call on that.
Order te karta.
Yeah, they take the order.
One more issue is that about this water bill, 3 crores bill. Kitne issue is that?
Kansal Bab, that's a very good question. Maybe Damodar Kochkar Amsabab is a little upset about that. Magoda said that Ami Amso Bhai Asana, Bhai Parikar, Tami ek inauguration kill of raw water in Verna. And at that time, Amche Bhai Parikar said that I will give subsidy on water. Now the water is from WRD department. And about that point of time, lot of, based on his assurance, verbal assurance, people started paying only 10 rupees per cubic meter. But that today is running crores of rupees. And today we have received a notice from WRD to their audit that we should pay within 15 days 3 crores. Now you tell me, I would love to help the entrepreneurs, help my industrialists. Yeah, I'm sitting here for that. But we don't have the direction from the government. Our file is already put to the government to pay 3 crores. But so that's the reason MD has directly already issued notices to a lot of people in all the industries who have to pay us money. We will have to pay, unless and until we don't get directions from the government, I can't take a call on that.
Oral assurance जाणी कमी पे करपाक
कमी त्यांना सोन पूण तशें जायना न्हू तें
स्कीम काय ड्राफ्ट केली
स्कीम काय ड्राफ्ट केला फायल आमी ऑलरेडी घाल्लेली आसा पूण ते फायल अजून ताजेर आमकां काय हें येवंक ना ते आमी तशें करचें म्हणून
WRD कडे कितें
because we are paying almost about 20 rupees to the WRD and 5 rupees plus for all the other expenses, whatever, 25 rupees. So then a buying will subsidy to 10 rupees be farik kor. But it was a good thing on the thing of the Honorable Chief Minister, ex-Chief Minister, but that file has still not been cleared. So that tomorrow we cannot sort of, we cannot say, okay, you pay 10 rupees, because tomorrow audit will be there and we'll be in trouble. It will be a very serious issue. There will be vigilance and a lot of things will be
You
there.
don't want 3 crores, how you are right on this? 3 crores bill देत नाही रामनगर ते करत आहे. पण इतकं ते तरी मी काय राहिलं?
Yes, no. Now the industries, the enterprise should understand that, no. Well, we can't say even being a board is supreme and autonomous body, but we can't take decisions, certain decisions, policy decisions have to come up from the government. Like say government under 16, section 16 is what only policy decision or some financial like this. So we refer the file to the government and the government should give us a direction. Okay, send us circulars, do this, we will take care of the rest. So that has not come. So the question of the corporation giving that amount of 10 rupees is just not possible. And Damodar Koikal should know that very clearly. He is a businessman, entrepreneur for so many years. We are happy to have him on our board. But at the same time, making sort of these allegations of corruption, and which has really not gone well as a board director, is one of my board directors. Absolutely not.
Can there be an action on this? Now, whether the industry...
Yeah, definitely. Since already it's made it public, I'm going to issue a show cause notice to him. Since you're asking me, because I want a clarification, no? I'm going to issue a show cause notice, and then accordingly, at least,
prove his allegation.
yeah, prove the allegations, no? Who is the person who's what? Prove the allegations. Simple.
So, sir, as all the allegations and rumors are dwelling around, tends to be false?
I totally deny the allegations. Many allegations. I am sitting here, my dear friend, for the last 3 years in this, on the chair of IDC. You believe it? I told you it's a tough journey for me. It's not easy. It's a good, lovely, beautiful corporation. Always wanted my corporation like EDC, powerful. But I never got that support. I never got that support because Honorable ex-Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar fell sick. Thereafter, I'm being very blunt, thereafter, our dynamic Chief Minister is there. Then Industry Minister, Industry Minister is the Vijay Rani is the Industry Minister. But we need that. I need space. I need to work freely. If I want to improve, I want to do something. I need my own space. But if there is there's too much of interference from the department, from the government side, so it becomes very difficult for me to work.
So as you quote space, can you specify please?
I need space here. Any of our files goes, departments, they should be cleared immediately. I do my follow-ups, but still the files are stuck here and there. And then taken in the board, we send it to the government, should be immediately sent back. There are a lot of issues, I don't get into all that. But the problem is, if I get my space, of course there is no time now, it's almost 1.5 years. But still I'll try my level best, provided I get my space of working, and definitely I will prove. If not the CM or the Industry Minister free to take me and get another chairman, I have no issues on that.
But board, but there is no power for this board.
See, board is very supreme, very powerful.
But
Yeah, I have been facing a lot of hurdles, to be very honest. I've spoken even, I need space, I need, my own mind. Of course, I have an issue, whatever, I will go to my Industry Minister, I'll go to the Secretary, I'll go to my Honorable Chief Minister and get it sorted. But I require that sort of space to work. Because everything is not that the board is supreme. But we need also the support of the government to ensure that the corporation is taken, and I can do it.
So as you said, my files are stuck over here and there. So government isn't empowering you?
See, I have a lot of issues. Now I have issues regarding my, my stuff. My strength is almost about, 310 stuff. 162 is freeze. A lot of people have retired. There are 58 live posts which are not freeze. So I'm stuck. What do I do? How do I survive? I've got 23 estates of mine. Now I have, a lot of the recoveries are there. Now I had one WGM law over here. He's been taken and he's been put in Director of Industries. Now when he was, I almost got in a lot of money inside, about 70-80 lakhs, which is revenue is important for me. Now he is not there, so I'm totally influxed. I can't work on that.
What
Industries Department of Corporation में आना चाहिए.
I think Subez Mehla Boris Bajano, Boris Opajano. Then Subez Maga Corporation Melama Edom Boris Opache.
the IDC as such, the industrial areas as such, what has been the condition of that? Because like, say example in Kollemano, most of the companies are closed, most of these are closed.
See, today they're talking about ease of doing business. Again, that this thing was the ease of doing business. Ease of doing business is not related only to GIDC. Let's be clear on that. It's all other different departments which are involved. Like electricity, factories and boilers, health, all this, we should have a system where we have one window system and we should get things cleared in maybe in 3 days, 4 days, maybe in 1 week, 2 weeks, but files get stuck.
What he was talking like online system.
Yeah, we should have that system, so it becomes more easier and better. And as I said, all the entrepreneurs should come online. Now we study it, now they're on trial basis. Our earlier Honorable Industry Minister already announced, but it was only on trial basis. Still it is on trial basis. There are only very, very few people have come in. So we have done this for them on their request, especially on GCC and GSI, but they have to push it to ensure that they, get this thing with it. Still they're coming with the old fashion of paying checks here, or then there's a delay factor. So all this, I'm saying, even my corporation, I said, there are a lot of flaws which have been happening from day one. A lot of flaws, a lot of things were not going wrong. But everything cannot be done in a, Rome was not built in a day. So it takes time. So we're working on that.
Do you remember that any action on those people who have taken on these industrial shares, not developed companies, but still they are winning that? So कितले जणांकडे असेल?
बरे बाबा त्या खातीर आमचे हांगा लिगल सेलाचो मनीस म्हणजे बरोबर ना सद्या आनी ताणें तो आसतना आमी ऑलमोस्ट अ क्रो ऑफ रुपीज भितर हाडलेले आमी तो म्हाका जाय आसलो हांगा पण तो मनीस ताका काडून ताका डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीन घातलो आसा डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीन ताका घातलेलो आसा आय हॅव स्पोकन टू हय थिंगा पूण म्हाका ते पयशे रिकवरी करपाक जायना न्हू भरपूर पयशे आसा रिकवर करपाक जाय न्हू ना शेअर कोणी बोन आमी परत घेवपाक जाय नोटीसी धाडपाक जाय इट बिकम डिफिकल्ट I have told them many times, but that is where the things are lacking behind, no? Now, Honorable CM has told me he is going to help me out. He told me he is going to give me the person. I said, give me the person, otherwise I become very lifeless over here. Well, there are a lot of avenues to be looked into.
What CM had to say on this allegations and all? CM because he must have brought it to his notice. And finally it comes under CM because CM is the government.
That's why I'm wondering the statement made by my friend Amanda Kashkar, whether he's gone against CM or he feels he is not capable of being a member here, being a board director, being an active member, being a member in the screening committee, and it's again corruption. If the plots are going when he is there, and who's in corruption? He is one of the person also. It looks like in the corruption. You should build it out, no? Or come to me, bring it. I am there. I am against corruption in my second tenure as an MLA. I got my records very clear in my constituency and even in my housing board last time. We have to work together, no, but making statement in media just like that for no rhyme without truth, no. I'm totally very upset about the whole thing as far as, just trying to get this GIDC, IPB, they're corrupt, others liquidate it, make it a department. No issues.
So what is the one word you're going to say to Mr. Kashkar?
Sense should prevail. When statements have been made, no, take us, use the board, speak in the board, talk to me, go to the industry minister, go to the CM, call me there, sit, we'll see, we'll work it out, no problem. I'm also sitting here for the last 3.5 years. Okay, if you think I'm not capable, remove me, go and tell CM to remove me out. Or liquidate the corporation, make it a department.